The new Pikachu themed BA110PKC-4A from Baby-G is a perfect gift for any Pokemon fan in your life. Standing out to me is the watch face. It has heaps of little details, like the hour and minute hand shaped as Pikachu's ears. On the easily adjustable band, a collage of Pikachu's silhouettes and shapes makes for quite an interesting look. Pikachu is also engraved onto the stainless steel backing. Like all Baby-G watches, this piece is shock resistant and water resistant up to 100 meters. Casio has designed their Baby-G line to be able to withstand day-to-day wear, including exercise in all conditions, so it makes for a great everyday piece. Overall, this watch is light, comfy and stylish. It may even be a collector's item one day. This piece is only available online, so head on over to shields.com.au and grab one before they're gone.